You're using Google's AI completely wrong, and I'm about to show you advanced search techniques that will make you question everything you thought you knew about getting information online. Most people treat AI like a simple search engine, typing basic questions and accepting whatever pops up first. But Google's Gemini AI, formerly known as Bard, has incredibly powerful advanced features that 90% of users have never even discovered. Today I'm breaking down the exact system I use to get laser-focused, accurate results every single time. Here's the biggest mistake everyone makes. They ask vague questions like "tell me about climate change" instead of using specific prompting techniques that unlock Gemini's real potential. When you understand how to structure your queries properly, you're not just getting better answers, you're getting answers that are actually useful for your specific situation. Let me show you exactly how this works. First, open your browser and navigate to gemini.google.com. You'll see the clean Gemini interface with the text input box at the bottom. This is where most people go wrong immediately. Instead of typing a basic question, we're going to use what Google calls contextual prompting. Step 1. Always provide context before your actual question. In the input box, type something like "I'm a college student researching renewable energy for a term paper," then add your specific question. Watch how this completely changes the response format and depth. Gemini now understands your role and adjusts its language and examples accordingly. Step 2. Use the conversation memory feature. Notice how Gemini remembers your previous questions in the same chat session. This is incredibly powerful for building on topics. Instead of starting fresh each time, reference your previous questions by saying things like "building on your previous answer about solar panels, now explain wind energy costs." The AI maintains context and provides connected, coherent information. Step 3. Leverage the source citation feature. At the bottom of many responses, you'll see small numbered citations. Click these to verify information and dive deeper into the original sources. This is crucial for research and fact-checking. According to Google's official documentation, this feature was enhanced significantly to provide more reliable source tracking. If you're finding this valuable, hit that subscribe button. We post tech tutorials daily, and I guarantee these techniques will transform how you use AI tools. Now let's get into the really advanced stuff. Step 4. Use multimodal prompting. Click the camera icon next to the text input box. You can upload images and ask specific questions about them. Upload a screenshot of a complex graph and ask Gemini to explain the data trends. Upload a photo of a plant and get detailed identification and care instructions. This visual analysis capability is something most users completely ignore. Step 5. Master the refinement commands. After getting an initial response, use commands like "make this more detailed," "simplify this explanation," or "focus specifically on the economic aspects." Gemini will rewrite its response based on your refinement request. This is like having a personal research assistant who can adjust their communication style instantly. Step 6. Utilize the export functions. Look for the share icon at the top right of any response. You can export answers directly to Google Docs, Gmail Drafts, or other Google Workspace applications. This seamless integration saves massive amounts of time when you're working on projects or research. Step 7. Leverage the real-time information capability. Unlike ChatGPT's training cutoff, Gemini can access current information. Ask questions about recent events, current stock prices, or today's weather. Frame your questions with "what's the latest information about" or "current status of" to trigger this real-time search functionality. Step 8. Use role-playing prompts for specialized expertise. Tell Gemini to act as a financial advisor or respond as a coding expert before asking your question. This prompt engineering technique dramatically improves the relevance and expertise level of responses. The AI adjusts its knowledge base and communication style to match the role you've assigned. Here are 3 pro tips that will set you apart from casual users. First, use the "explain like I'm 5" or "explain like I'm an expert" modifiers to control complexity levels. Second, ask for responses in specific formats like bullet points, tables, or step-by-step instructions. Third, use follow-up questions like "what are the potential downsides" or "what evidence supports this" to get more balanced, comprehensive information. The extensions and integrations are where Gemini really shines. Connected with Google Workspace, Gmail, and Google Drive for seamless workflow integration. You can ask Gemini to summarize documents in your Drive, draft emails based on context, or even analyze data from Google Sheets. According to recent Google Workspace updates, these integrations continue expanding with new automation capabilities. Remember, the key to advanced AI search isn't just asking better questions, it's understanding how to have better conversations with AI. Think of Gemini as a research partner, not a search engine. Build context, refine your requests, verify sources, and leverage the multimodal capabilities. These techniques work because they align with how large language models actually process information. You're not just getting generic responses anymore, you're getting personalized, contextual, and actionable information that directly addresses your specific needs. That's how you unlock the real power of Google's AI. Remember, at TechNavigator Pro, we help you navigate your tech journey with confidence. Master these advanced search techniques and you'll never look at AI the same way again. Hit subscribe for more tutorials that actually make a difference in how you use technology, and I'll see you in the next video.